channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you or telling you guys 19 Christmas gift ideas you can get for just anyone. I have them written down in a piece of paper here, so if I'm looking down, just know I'm trying to look at my thoughts and what I wrote down. So I'm just going to give you guys a rundown, and I've sectioned it into 4 sections just so I'm able to say it and not forget what I've written down. So these gift ideas here is something that you can actually get affordably and also luxurious if you're somebody that likes to spend some money. People like us that doesn't like to spend money too much, you can get it at an affordable price in any store that is closer to you. If this is what you would like to watch, if you want to see gift ideas that you can get for your husband, your brother, your sister, your nephew, your little toddler, your mom, your dad, then stick around to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment. Some of these ideas here they are also some of the things I have in my wish list. I'm just wishing. So without further ado, I'm going to start with the techie aspect of it. So the number one is AirPod. If you're someone that uses maybe a phone that doesn't have a jack to plug in your earphone, you can get the person AirPod, Bluetooth earpiece, any of those stuff. So the second one is a phone, an iPhone, an Android phone. It's a gift that is coming from a place of love. So any of those techie things. The next one is the latest game. If your husband or your brother is the kind of person that likes to play game, then I would suggest, or I would tell you to get them the latest game. If they're the type that like to play PS5, just get them the latest game, and they'll be so happy and they'll thank you for that. The next one is a laptop or an iPad. Lastly, for tech is a camera or a tripod. If you know any of your siblings, any of your cousins, your nephew that you know, this person loves to do these things, and he or she is using a phone, you can get the person any of this camera or tripod stuff. So the next one is going to be clothing. So for clothing, we are in the season of Christmas, and we know it's actually cold. In Nigeria here is Harmattan, abroad is winter, and all of those stuff. So you can get them sweaters, you can get them clothing sweater, crochet sweater, you can get them beanie to warm the head and all of those stuff. And you can also get 2-piece sets. Like, you know, nowadays there's this kind of clothes that comes in 2-piece. It comes in something like a joggers or something like it's in 2-piece, like up and down, something like you can get them stuffs like that. You can never go wrong with getting your loved one a pair of jeans. I need a pair of jeans. We all need a pair of jeans in our wardrobe because it's just like a basic piece. It's something that we should always have because it's something you can pair with any other thing. 9th one is a suit. For the guys, you can get them suits. We now have girls that wear suits nowadays, so you can actually get suits for any of your loved ones, excluding the females. If they are females, you can get them dresses, you can get them bags. There's so many affordable bags now. You don't have to break the bank. You don't have to go ahead and buy all those Prada, Givenchy. If you have it, buy it. If you have the money, I talked about luxurious and affordable. So if you have the money, I would suggest you buy it. The next one is homeware. The first one is cooking set. You can get them set of cookware like pots, non-sticky pots. The second one for cookware is a microwave. You can get them a microwave. So many families need microwave. In this Xmas period, we tend to see some food that gets cold quickly. You heat them up. So you can get a microwave for any of your loved ones. And the third gift idea is a cute mug set with inspirational word. If you have any of your family member that likes to take coffee, the person just likes to drink tea, you can get them some sets of cute mugs with inspirational word written on them to inspire them daily as they take their best drink. So the next one, the fourth one under homeware, is a juicer. So in this Xmas period, so many persons would prefer to make their juices at home, their cocktails at home. So many persons would prefer to make all those things at home rather than getting it outside for hygiene purposes, for health purposes. So you can get a juicer for any of your loved one. Somebody you know that yes, this person is a health freak, the person likes to do a lot of homemade things. You can get the person a juicer and the person will thank you. And then the last under homeware is a vacuum cup. Vacuum this time around, Xmas period, winter period is a time where everything is always cold and chilly. A vacuum cup is the best because you always have hot water with you. As in, if you're doing something that requires you to have to use hot water, it's always. And if you know any of your family member that the person likes to always carry a water bottle wherever he or she is going to, then you can get the person a vacuum cup, a cute vacuum cup that the person will see and love. Then the next section is the random section. I just named it random because it's something that I feel is a gift idea. I feel it's something that should work, and I feel I can actually gift it to any of my loved ones just for them to unwind and to refresh, just like self-care, just to make them happy. So it's not necessarily, for me, Christmas gift idea is not necessarily something tangible that every time I give to you. Sometimes I just want to give you an experience that you will never forget in your life. Like when you remember Christmas 2021, you'll be like, yeah, I got this very good thing from so person, and the experience was quite exciting and memorable. So the first one is a spa day treatment. If you know any of your loved ones that this person is a workaholic, she doesn't take time to rest, she's always working 9 to 5, in the night she's working, just go to any of the good spas you have around and just book her for a particular day and then tell her to go there. So if she gets there, they will just pamper her, take care of her, just give her all the necessary self-care treatment that he or she needs to unwind, and by the time he or she comes out from that spa, they'll be feeling very light, if you understand what I mean. So try it out if you have the money. So the next one, the number 2 under random, is taking any of your loved ones to the best place in town. This might sound random, but it's not random. There are some persons that have not gone to some places here in Port Harcourt. There are some persons that have not gone to some places where you are, and the person have been longing. Oh, I want to. I just want to. How I wish I had the money. How I wish I had somebody that can take me to so place. I would love to go here. I would love to go there. Such kind of experience is something that most people do not forget. So you can take them to any of those exciting places. So the third one, you can get any of your loved ones a skincare product. If you know any of your loved ones that is into, the person likes skincare, every time you see her, she or she wants to look good. They don't like to see pimples on their face. They always like a fresh face. Who doesn't like a fresh face, for crying out loud? Everybody likes a fresh face, but skincare product is something you can gift to somebody. That is my own gift ideas, my own Christmas gift ideas for everyone, because I feel like on YouTube there are a lot of gift ideas that is repeated and all of those stuff. So all of these gift ideas came from me thinking about it and what I would gift people. So if you have any other ideas, you can leave it in the comment section so we can also learn. Maybe for Vlogmas next year, I'm going to put your gift idea in my Vlogmas next year. So just leave me a constructive comment, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. Because this Vlogmas, we are going to do it. Last year I couldn't finish, but this year, by the grace of God, I know God is going to help me to finish it. So I'm going to see you tomorrow, Vlogmas Day 4. So stay tuned and go nowhere.
All the fields we go